Let's go. It's your boy Slushy Student. What's up, 38 gang, man? Hey, here at the ScatPack Challenger 2017, man. This boy still looking super clean, shiny as hell. I don't know if the camera even do justice compared to what it looked like in real life. But forget all that. I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of what's on the car that I got done since the last time I made a video. It's been like 3 months. Got the 275 Pirellis in the back, 245s in the front. They Pirellis too, but I also got the rims painted bronze. I don't know if y'all can really see that or not. I'll try to get y'all like a B-roll of the whole car after I do my little spill. But yeah, if y'all seen the title and thumbnail, y'all about to see this interior look crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the guys that I got that helped me with this. They helped me wire it, and I did it pretty much. After that, I pretty much did the rest. But yeah, this the car one more time. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Watch the intro, and man, yeah, we gonna jump into this video so y'all can just. It's not a how-to do. This is literally just me showing y'all, reviewing the product that I got from the sponsorship. We'll talk about that more after the intro and everything. But yeah, let's go.
There's clips in there, watch your lips in there. Before I make this 40 disappear, make it disappear. Yeah. Since that kill switch, only thing I rap about is real shit. All these I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do a drill. Take my shooter band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like utility work.
All right, 38 gang. Little small cold start. Yeah, y'all, so I got the ghost plate right there on the back. Little shade come down. The exhaust is the Super 10s, Flowmasters, mufflers. I deleted the resonators with the chrome. What's that, like a burnt exhaust tips. But yeah, guys, I don't want to drag that out. I'm a like I said, I'm gonna show y'all everything I got done. One of my friends got a 392 Charger Scatty. It's an SRT. And then y'all see all that in the rest of the video. This was just more like just the intro and stuff. But yeah, stay tuned for the video. Watch that whole thing. Smash the like button, leave some comments, share, please, subscribe. And yeah, it's cold as hell out here. I got my hood up. I'm mic'd up. Shit, I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying? We mic'd up out here in these streets. But yeah, this boy looking cleaner than we did last time y'all seen it. If y'all seen it in person, you really be tripping. I mean, but it's really clean. I've been doing my best to keep it in the garage, keeping the miles low. Might take the wrap off in the summer, but before I do anything more like aesthetic stuff, yeah, y'all didn't see the badge is light up. It says SRT Scat or ScatPack on there. I mean, it ain't lit up right now, but if y'all ain't see none of that stuff, I got videos on everything I done to the car, and it got a little bugs on here, a little dirty. It ain't real dirty, but it's still shining. But yeah, I'm about to get y'all the bigger reveal, and then however, if y'all see how it got done, that's all in the video. I ain't trying to drag us out. 38 gang, we back. Got SRT. Stay tuned for the video, guys. It's about to get y'all another how to install some stuff. And yeah, it's on go. Yo, didn't you say you had the ghost plate on there? Didn't you tell me you had the ghost plate?
I did. I took it off because it fucking.
Yeah, so I'm with the homies. About to put that ambient lighting in. My homie got the SRT one, I got the 392 V5 blue. I'm get him on the camera and he gonna tell y'all what he did to it. But yeah, let's go. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get a step by step of whatever footage I can of them doing it. And yeah. Yo, Juan, what all you got done to your whip?
It's lowered. I got a mid muffler delete. I got the suede headliner, suede sun visor, stars in the ceiling. And that's pretty much it for real. Not too crazy. That's our key blow up with them.
Jeez. Oh yeah, you put that on?
Yeah, and I got the speedometer. I put the 220 speedometer on there.
Oh, shit, I see. Yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. So it showed 220 on the dash. Yeah, we got the Chevy. What's this? The Tahoe or Blazer?
Tahoe.
Oh yeah, Tahoe. Got the Chevy Tahoe with the base. They got that boy on 4Gs. It's nice and clean. But yeah, I'm gonna get y'all some footage in a minute. I ain't want to install this one myself because I knew people who can actually do it. Professionals.
Yeah, that's cool, bro.
Yeah, so we got to take all the panels off, the door panels, the dash panel.
These right here just push these.
And we're just gonna try to get some step-by-step stuff.
You just push them in. You push it in? Yeah. It's another one right here. What's that? That's a flathead. I mean Phillips. There's 2. There's 3. You can drop. If I try to take every screw and just put it right here.
I've been putting them in this door panel. I mean, in the cup holder.
Okay, yeah. But you don't want to put them in there because you about to take the door panel
They ain't gonna
off.
fall out. Door ain't gonna get flipped or nothing.
Like,
Just disconnecting wires and pins, guys.
yeah, a lot of wires and pins.
I got some off Amazon before and they wasn't like that trash. That shit don't want to come up. There we go, yeah.
Yeah, but it's certain spots though. So I'm just trying to work my way to them.
So this is what you did to change your speedometer?
I had to take this off. I took all that shit off this. You got a little pin here
that you want to make sure your battery disconnected so you don't blow yourself in the face with the airbag.
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah.
And then you just, it's a big ass, you pull this off, it's a big ass fucking Allen key you use. And screw the wheel.
Oh, so that's how you would change the steering wheel too then?
Yep. That's how I changed the steering wheel.
You changed yours to that one?
Yeah, I upgraded all that, bro.
Oh, shit, I didn't even know.
I had the regular SRT, I didn't have the glow.
Oh,
I had the switch
okay.
for it already.
I see, yeah. I should roll up. I see your trunk like mine, dude.
That's just for right now, because we're moving. All her fucking clothes, that shit ain't even mine. My car don't be having the fucking paper towel to dry your hands off in there.
For real, my shit just got heavy, like, car washing shit.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Bag of clothes or two. Yeah, bitch came right on off. It's a little fight though, but it came off. So the wires hooked. Let's see what's up with this screen, because it got a little bubble in it.
Yeah, the vents just pop right out. Pop right out, pop right back.
It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it.
Fuck. All right, listen, guys. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's by Vehicle Intelligent Lighting System. This is what the box look like. I got a sponsorship with them. They actually hit me up and was like, we're going to send you this for free. So I actually got this product for free. If y'all like how it came out on my car, I mean, it would probably come out a little bit better on y'all's because the cords and stuff is longer. You know, I'll just work with the free product, and that's who it's through. I bought that off of Amazon. If you look on Amazon, you can get it off Amazon. It's like $110 or something like that. But yeah, so like I got the push. You see the blue light right here. I got the push button to actually turn it on. I mean, I'm not trying to turn it on right here, but that's how it works. It turns on. As you can see, it's in the trim. I also got the stars on the ceiling up there. And then I got the floor mats for my sponsorship, a new auto. They all app controlled. I don't have remotes for any of this. It's all on my phone, app controlled. And yeah, look how it came out, guys. It's a bust. It's a hit. It's going crazy, man. It ain't as dark as I really wanted to, but I'll get some shots in the dark of it, and I'll put that at the end of the video. This is how it came out. I got it all hooked up to my battery. I got the wires. You get a main controller, 3 sub controllers. I got them all in the doors and stuff like that. And then it's all wired to my battery in the back. I'm trying to work on getting a toggle switch so I can kill switch it so it's not always running even when it's off, because like it's still using power. But yeah, that's how it came out. And yeah, I'm gonna put the rest of how I got installed in the video. Just watch the whole video, guys. Share this, because this lit. It's lit. It ain't come out as perfect as I wanted to. That's just me in general. Some of this need to be put out a little bit. It was kind of hard. The wires didn't stretch all the way on this side, on my left side right here on the driver's side. It didn't go around all the way like I wanted it to, because it wasn't long enough. I would have had to run 3 of them. I got 2 of them running, one up here and then one coming down here. And I would have had to run 3 of them to get this little corner. So I didn't want to mess with all that. Maybe I could do it in the future because I still got more of the kit left. I still got a bunch of wires and stuff. I could like literally run an LED strip over here. And I think it came out pretty good. Like a lot of this I did myself. Some of this they did, like my friends helped me put this one in. They drilled the holes for me in the door. Dude ran the wires for the box. It's all hidden down here. Also came with the LED changeable lights down here. You can see how my hand is like glowing. You can change all these lights too, but you can't really tell because it just is right here. It's kind of bright enough to like cancel that. But in the back of the car, you can see it a little bit better. But overall, it came out good. Like it's really good. Like it matched. Like I can change any color I want. Only thing is that like the little door panel lights from a new auto don't change. They always stay red. And then I got red inside the bulbs. But I'm in the process of just trying to change all of that. And yeah, like this is lit. I'm like a lot of people are sound people, but I am a light person. I love lights. This came out pretty good. So thank you guys for watching and everything. And yeah.
38 gang, look at what we got going on, man. The lights looking crazy. Lights looking crazy. The floor mats. Ambient light in the trim. That's how it came out, guys. I feel like it could have been a little bit better. The product came out really good. just wasn't long enough to hit like certain creases. I still put it in because I wanted to give y'all a video. And man, this came out crazy with the stars on the ceiling, cuz y'all don't even know it, y'all. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Like, good playing with a brother, bro. But we done with the lighting stuff. Now it's performance stuff all summer. Stay tuned for the next video, 38 Gang. It's your boy Slushy Student. And yeah, y'all know how to get down, man. Come on, man. It's clean here. I keep it clean, man. I keep it clean, cuz. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
.38 Gang, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, man. We almost at 6K. When I get to 6K, I'll probably do like some type of giveaway. I got an extra kit, the vehicle intelligent lighting system. I got an extra one. I might get out of the way to you guys, man. I don't need it, but I'm thinking about giving it away, guys. Yeah, man, it's been about 3 months. I took my time. I had a lot going on in my life, man. I had to change jobs, had to do a few other things. It snows in Ohio, so that's another setback. But other than that, man, summer coming, we back, man. I can give y'all a little insight on a few things I'm gonna do. Like, I'm gonna take the wrap off. I'm definitely about to do E85, bigger manifold, intake manifold, and throttle body. And then I'm take the PCM out, get it unlocked. That'll be like this summer's kind of project. And then when I ain't trying to rush to do everything at once, because I want to make sure everything's working right, make sure it's all reliable. And you know, like when you do a lot of stuff at once, I mean, stuff can go wrong. So I like to do one thing at a time, give it some time to like actually like be there before you do a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, but yeah, thanks for watching. I got more videos coming. Stay tuned. And yeah, y'all, it's your boy Slushy Student 38. Peace.